Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to answer calls with fingerprint on Android phone Infinix. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your phone, the iPad. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon right here. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to advanced settings. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply turn this button on. And with that, you have enabled answer call using your fingerprint. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how best to use your fingerprint to answer any call. It's as simple as that on Android phone Infinix. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.